Hey, today we are going to be making breakfast cookies. Oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love, love, love cookies, but I can honestly say I have never made a breakfast cookie. So let's get started. These are going to be so yummy. A couple surprise ingredients here, starting with 1 stick of butter. Let me get that in there. It is softened. And then, of course, I doctored the recipe that I found a little bit already because I want to put the things in that I like. So this is about 1/2 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of brown. I wanted to add a little bit of brown in there just for a little more richness. I prefer brown in most everything for that little bit of molasses. You know, that's what makes brown sugar brown, is white sugar with a little bit of molasses. So let's whip this up and get it all incorporated. This is a very big recipe with only 1 stick of butter, and I have a 6-quart KitchenAid, so small batches like this are tougher in my big mama. Oh my gosh, it's coming along. Okay, let me scrape it down, because like I said, small batches don't like this big, big bowl I've got here. So let me scrape it down and give it one more whirl here. Get everything off my blade. There we go. Okay, so that is our sugar going in there. Next, we're going to do the egg. 1 egg, because what's breakfast without an egg, right? We'll get that in there. Get that all mixed in. You know, I think I'm going to add a little splash of vanilla to this while we're on the egg part. Maybe a teaspoon, just a splash. Okay, let's scrape this down. Oh my gosh, these are going to be so good. Something different. Get this all mixed up. While that is beating up there, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to my flour. Oops. Get that scraped off there. There we go. Whoops. Dropping that all over the place. There we go. 1/4 teaspoon going in the flour. I'll stir that in a little bit. There we go. And this is coming along. The reason you want your eggs to be room temperature when you do this, that one was not quite yet, so it takes a little bit to get it to mix in. So there goes our flour. I've got about 3/4 cup of flour because I wanted to add about 1/4 cup of oatmeal to this because of oats, because I thought that would be breakfasty and give it a little bit more texture in the cookie. Let me get that stirred around. Okay, and the rest of these I'm going to do by hand because I don't want to squish all my cornflakes, because we got all kinds of breakfast things in here. So let me scrape off my beater here and get everything in the pool, because I think we're going to need every bit of this butter to counteract the cornflakes. But this just looked, I have never seen a recipe like this, and you know I read thousands and thousands of recipes for sport, and if I don't read them enough, social media sends them to me, and I even get them on email. So recipes. I read a lot of them. So let's see, there we go. Okay, so let me scrape down the bowl a little bit here. So to this, see we've got just a basic dough going in here. I'm going to add 2 cups of cornflakes going in, about 10 strips of bacon chopped, yum, and about a 1/2 cup of raisins. Now that bacon was cooked, so that is all going in. And then I'm gonna stir this all in. Try not to squish my cornflakes too much. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Because it's got bacon. And what's not good with bacon? Oh my gosh, these are gonna be killer. So I would say you can probably freeze this dough and cook them when you want to. And I'd freeze it in balls, or maybe just cook them and then freeze the cookies so it's ready to go even quicker if you're running out the door. It can thaw out in the car while you're in your commute time. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Okay, so there we have it. Our dough here with our cornflakes and our bacon and our raisins. Look at that. Yum. So I will scoop one out here and bake it up, and then I will be back momentarily to show you the finished product. But this is going to be yummy. So I've got my scoop here. Let's scoop one onto the tray. Oh my gosh, yum. Scoop. I have my cookie sheet here. We're gonna bake one, test it out, see how it comes out. We'll see in a minute. The magic of TV. Okay. I don't know if I have this. Yeah. Okay, let's see how these turned out. Oh my gosh, pull these out. Oh, aren't they cute? Oh my gosh, these look delicious. Let's give it a try. Oh, those are delicious. Those might be better than I thought they were gonna be. So here you go. Breakfast cookies, bacon, cornflakes, oatmeal, raisins, everything you need for a perfect balanced breakfast. Oh, and the egg. So anyway, thanks for watching. We always love it when you visit us here. And don't forget to follow us and subscribe. See you soon. Love, Hostess Coach.